Okay, for skill number 204, what we're talking about here is dividing fractions, really. But that 7 isn't a fraction, you say. Well, you can make it a fraction, and that's what you want to do. If you ever are taking a fraction and dividing by another fraction, that part's easy. It's getting them to be both in fraction form that's really important. Okay, so this 7, I'm just going to make it 7 over 1. And then divided by 4/5. That, you just go back to your dividing fractions, which would be 7 over 1 times 5/4. You only flip the second one. Final answer, 35 over 1 times 4 is 4. Now, if you had had a harder one like 1 1/5 divided by 2/3, then again, this needs to be made into a fraction. Right now, it's a mixed number. So to make that a fraction, I'm going to go 1 times 5 is 5, plus the 1 makes 6/5. I hope you remember how to do that. That's a different video. 6/5 divided by 2/3. Then I don't want to divide. I'd rather do 6/5 times, flip it over, 3 over 2. Final answer on that one would be 18/10, except you can reduce it to 9/5. So there's a couple examples. Always start with the number that isn't a fraction, make it into a fraction, and then do the drop it down and make it into a multiplication problem after you flip the second fraction. All right, that's all there is to that one.